Mike with the Motorcycle Showcase, and today we're going to do a little unboxing. It's upgrade season here, especially in New Jersey. It's pouring rain today, so we're inside. I hope you can see everything. Got a new little tripod set up and new microphone, all that kind of stuff we're testing out today too, so I hope this comes out well. We are unboxing a new helmet. This helmet here is what I've been using. It's the Harley Davidson, I think it's the Pilot. It was this Scorpion. It's basically a Scorpion, where it's got modular, it's 3 pieces, comes apart, whatever. So I set this thing up already for my motovlog setup. I have a video on that, how I set this up. But I was having issues. So if you watch some of my videos, the microphone pops and pings and when we're doing anything over like 30. So I had realized that, I needed something that was gonna stop that. So I decided this winter we're gonna upgrade. So this, I guess we can call this part 1A of our 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag video series. So we are gonna replace this with this. So this is the Bell SRT line Stealth helmet. So the Stealth is the color scheme. It's part of the SRT line, and I think that it's on closeout. Last time I looked, it's on Revzilla. So and Cycle Gear, but they own everything. So let's take a look at what we got. Back this thing out. All right. So what do you get? You get a cool helmet bag, Bell helmet. Let's pull this bad boy out. I'm going to put this down so we don't ruin my nice brand new helmet. Take it out of its second bag. Alright guys, here's what we got. It's the Bell SRT Stealth helmet. The first thing is, it is just an SRT helmet. The Stealth is the color scheme. So if you can see it, it's got this cool camo pattern on it. And that's so when I'm riding you can't see me. So that's why they're calling it the Stealth helmet. It's all the way around, wraps around. I also really like how the Bell logo is kind of muted, I guess. So I'm a fan of that. But otherwise, pretty cool looking helmet. So first thing I noticed was the Bell is a little bit bigger than the old one I had, but the Bell probably has more protection. So I'll sacrifice that for that. The other thing is, this thing weighs a ton. This is bigger overall, weighs less than that one. It comes with Bell's Panavision shield. Again, it's the end of the season here. Haven't had it out on the bike yet. But just by putting it on, I can tell it's 1,000 times better. I can see peripherally way better than I could in the other one. Next thing, and this goes to the 1A in this video. So part of what we wanted to do was we're going to try and connect the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus to 4 riders, and we're going to try to have all 4 of us on the videos. So when we're riding, you'll hear all 4 of us. We're going to try it. I'm not going to say it's going to work, but we're going to try it. The Harley Davidson helmet does not have speaker pockets, and I tried to put everything in it and do the best I could to kind of jerry-rig it, but it wasn't working. So another reason I upgraded was this has internal speaker pockets. So I bought this from Revzilla. Talk about sizing. The sizing on this with their measurements is absolutely dead on. I think they said it's an intermediate oval, and I have a fat round head, and I measured my fat round head, and this fits perfectly. So their measurements, if you're going to use Revzilla, because that's where I got it from, are dead on. Does come with, you can get all kinds of different color shields, dark smoke, light smoke, all that stuff, so we're going to change that. Obviously keep the clear. I didn't have a clear with the Harley Davidson, by the way. Did not come with a clear. It only came with a light smoke, so I like that this comes with a clear and then I can upgrade. Again, has with it a chin curtain. Comes with the chin curtain. I'm hoping this helps me with my sound problems. Again, I tried this on. It fits well, feels comfortable. I can see very well out of it. So, again, so far so good. I haven't had it on the bike yet, but we'll see. So, what's next for this thing? So, part 1 of our, well, I guess part 1B of our 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag series is going to be to install the Cardo FreeCom 4 Plus communication Bluetooth system in here. Should be pretty easy. We're gonna see. I hope it's pretty easy. After that, then we're going to go back and again set up my motovlog setup on this. So we're going to set it up differently, whereas the Harley Davidson, I had it set on the side here because I didn't have something on the chin to mount it. We'll mount it pretty much like everyone else does with that curved mount, and then, you know, I'll shoot a video of how I did it. But otherwise, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us, hit the bell notification, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, follow us on our own website, www.themotorcycleshowcase.com. We're really trying to build our presence on the other social media sites so that we can fold that into creating kind of motorcycling's own social media, and that's our goal. So again, share it with your friends, subscribe, follow us, and until next time, ride safe.